together young and old. There are stories to be told across the lands to shining sea about the Chassey legacy. From this valley voices sing, celebration, freedom rings. Chassey people near and far shine just like the morning star. High above the flags do wave, colors for a people saved. On the winds hear voices cry, independence to the sky. Madawaska we proclaim, reunite under one name. Chassey and a family tree, roots grow far and deep, you see. Gather round and you will hear men of France named Saulnier. Mind a crystal named white gold, to the richest it was sold. White gold is simply salt today, for granted taken one might say. In the 18th century, one could not buy salt easily. When poverty and famine came, exploiting salt was a great gain. Bootlegging was for some the way, the only means to get a pay. Come together young and old, there are stories to be told across the land to shining sea about the Chassey legacy. From this valley voices sing, celebration, freedom rings. Chassey people near and far shine just like the morning star. High above the flags do wave, colors for a people saved. On the winds hear voices cry, independence to the sky. To the royal treasury, Saulnier sold salt illegally. A crime punishable, it's true, but royalty was guilty too. Majesty, there came a voice, jail or exile was the choice. To Canada they sailed away, among them was young Jean Chassey. On his arrival work he found, exhuming metals from the ground. In the business did not stay, to Kamaraska made his way into the arms of wife-to-be, a mignon girl from St. Louis. Married, settled downstream way, a place we now call St. Andre. Come together young and old, there are stories to be told across the land to shining sea about the Chassey legacy. From this valley voices sing, celebration, freedom rings. Chassey people near and far shine just like the morning star. High above the flags do wave, colors for a people saved. On the winds hear voices cry, independence to the sky. 3 centuries have come and gone, here we are to carry on. No longer tossed or chased away, our heritage is here to stay. We persevere and we hold fast to traditions of the past, and with the traits they left behind, share their knowledge with mankind. Let's not forget those gone before, remember those who died at war. We are like salt from God's great earth, salt that gave our name its birth. Writers, doctors here with you, teachers, preachers are here too. Tradesmen, craftsmen made the way, let's commemorate this festive day. Come together young and old, there are stories to be told across the lands to shining sea about the Chassey legacy. Come together young and old, there are stories to be told across the lands to shining sea about the Chassey legacy. From this valley voices sing, celebration, freedom rings. Chassey people near and far shine just like the morning star. High above the flags do wave, colors Rassemblez-vous, jeunes et vieux, célébrez ces jours heureux. Terre et mer à traverser, l'héritage des Chassey. Un chant résonne de la vallée, célébrons notre liberté. Les Chassey de près de loin brillent comme l'étoile du matin. Survolant le drapeau ici, les couleurs pour les gens sauvés. L'indépendance qu'elle se chante, sème son message par le vent.
De Madawaska nous proclamons, réunis sous le même nom. Les Chassey de tous les âges font connaître notre héritage. Approchez pour écouter ces hommes de France nommés sauniers. L'or blanc par profit vendu aux plus riches ainsi promus. Aujourd'hui, le bien commun, le sel connu, goûté de chacun. Autant durant ces temps passés, fut difficile d'en posséder. La pauvreté, famine surgit, le sel vendu pour un profit. La contrebande était acceptée comme seul moyen de subsister.
Rassemblez-vous, jeunes et vieux, célébrez ces jours heureux. Terre et mer à traverser, l'héritage des Chassey. Un chant résonne de la vallée, célébrons notre liberté. Les Chassey de près de loin brillent comme l'étoile du matin. Survolant les drapeaux ici, les couleurs pour les gens sauvés. L'indépendance qu'elle se chante, sème son message par le vent.
Saunier vend au trésor royal, l'or blanc de façon illégale. Un acte auquel il doit payer, la royauté est épargnée. Sa majesté rend la sentence, prison, l'exil, la pénitence. Au Canada, voile dirigé, auprès de le jeune Jean Chassey. Il prend métier de dur là-bas, de métaux il en est mineur. Ses rêves, désirs réalisés, vers Kamouraska dirigé. Bientôt rencontre de Saint-Louis, fille d'un mignon nommé Marie. Au fil du courant s'est marié, s'établira à Saint-André.
Rassemblez-vous, jeunes et vieux, célébrez ces jours heureux. Terre et mer à traverser, l'héritage des Chassey. Un chant résonne de la vallée, célébrons notre liberté. Les Chassey de près